You know that feeling when you bite into a homegrown tomato and it's like a burst of sunshine in your mouth? Sweet, juicy, absolutely packed with flavor. But let's be real, getting to that point can feel like a struggle. Maybe your plants just aren't thriving, or the fruit is small and bland. I've been there. But today, I'm going to show you how to grow the biggest, healthiest tomatoes in containers. No fancy garden required. Let's make this your best tomato season yet. So, the first thing we need to talk about is where you're growing your tomatoes. A lot of people underestimate the power of choosing the right container. It's like picking the right home for your plants. You want something at least 5 gallons, bigger if possible, because tomatoes are hungry plants. They need space to stretch their roots and soak up all the nutrients they can get. And speaking of nutrients, the secret to a massive harvest isn't just water and sunlight, it's in the soil. I always tell people, feed your soil and your plants will feed you. A high-quality potting mix with compost and slow-release organic fertilizer is the way to go. Your tomatoes will be stronger, grow faster, and produce those deep red flavor-packed fruits we all love. Okay, let's talk about sunlight. Tomatoes love the sun. They're sun worshippers. You want to give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every single day. If you're growing on a balcony or patio, track where the sun hits throughout the day and place your containers in the brightest spot possible. But here's where a lot of people go wrong. They water their plants like houseplants. Tomatoes need deep, consistent watering, especially in containers where soil dries out fast. My golden rule? Water deeply in the morning and always check the soil before watering again. Stick your finger in about an inch. If it's dry, it's time to water. And if you're dealing with hot weather, mulch is your best friend. It keeps moisture in and prevents your plants from stressing out. Now let's talk about something that makes all the difference. Pruning. See these little suckers growing between the main stem and branches? If you pinch them off early, your plant puts more energy into growing bigger fruit instead of more leaves. It's like telling your plant, hey, focus on what really matters, making those amazing tomatoes. And one of the biggest mistakes I see, people forget to support their plants. Tomatoes are climbers. If you let them flop over, you risk disease, broken branches, and a smaller harvest. A simple tomato cage, trellis, or even some sturdy stakes will keep your plant happy and healthy. I want to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge with growing tomatoes? Drop a comment below and let's troubleshoot together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more home gardening tips. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next one.